What are you doing?
Trying a new game?
This is Super Tank Blitz, teaming up with Jackie to dominate the game. The tanks are incredibly strong. In Siak, why don't you upgrade your tank or change your weapon?
Big Mac's tank has amazing weapons and looks flashy. But Jackie's tank looks like a basic one.
Wait and see.
I'm attaching weapons. Attached a front drill. The wheels look like they could drive on snow like snowmobile wheels.
Wow, even that.
Wheels in front of the weapon?
Exactly. Attach a drill like that.
You can do anything.
Okay, one more round.
Let's go.
Cute tank.
Isn't it cute?
Looks like we can make it. You know, many comments ask for tanks.
Make a tank.
Oh, confidence.
Not us, Jackie.
Do I have no choice?
But Jackie, you love riding.
I don't like them.
We'll recycle parts to build it.
Wheels, tubes, motors, and the steering and suspension systems.
Cutest Minbeck day.
This tank will be heavy. I'm expecting it. Since it's heavy, it doesn't need to move fast. So let's make it run powerfully. The chain connects directly to the axle, and we're adding another for dual movement. It'll move complexly. It's hard to find, not usually sold. So we're going to tool market to get it.
Tool market makers. Let's go.
The gear chain. Fellow,
Starting small,
this should work.
like this.
Drill to 10 millimeters.
I'm welding and processing it myself right now. Not good, our maker should do it.
Learn if you lack skills. Wow, the two are connected. See the rest gone? To gain torque.
For torque.
We call a taxi.
Jackie, tired.
I feel like I'm going to die. We've been working on the vehicle's lowest frame, which is the most challenging part, and the welding is finally done. Now, the suspension. The suspension structure is quite varied, but we're using a double wishbone structure with both a lower arm and an upper arm. We've also custom made mounts for it.
Wow! This is like this.
We're installing a 3,000 watt motor, which is very powerful. It goes through a small and a large gear for double reduction. The steering wheel smoothly moves. It's moving.
Jackie, look up.
Well,
Wow. It's perfect.
It's like a driver needed for operation. Press the pedal to move forward and change direction.
It won't suddenly accelerate, will it?
No, press the pedal.
Just one more time.
it slows down, turning slow. We did this to reduce speed and increase torque.
Are you ready?
Yes, moving forward.
Be careful, I might break it. It's incredibly powerful.
Feel the torque.
Really heavy.
Very heavy,
Press it, and it goes.
and it runs.
Pressing now.
Wow.
We worked on the steel pipes and steel rusts, right? To prevent that, we're doing anti-corrosion work. It's been sprayed once, but the color on top isn't pretty.
Which color?
Oh, completely matte black. Matte and beautiful.
Touch it.
It's kind of rough and textured.
It grips.
Yeah.
Problem is it'll be covered. Making highlight. Place it here. First, secure it with clamps. Drill a hole, and then insert a rivet. Insert it. Bang, tighten it. Please save me.
Starting right away.
We're building the front section with the base barrel in the center, the first stage in orange, and the second stage on top.
Adding this feels next level.
Testing with propane gas.
Oh, is it ready now?
Oh, did you
guess-
see that?
Again.
Turn on the gas here.
Yes,
Ignite here.
the gas.
We'll insert a PT bottle at the hose end as the projectile. The gas is on.
3, 2, 1, go! Can't use this? Not usable.
It's so good.
Wow, luck.
It's a dashboard for the tank showing the cart's status. We've made a tachometer using the motor's RPM for precision. The level of the accelerator being pressed is displayed here. It uses an LED called NeoPixel. As speed increases, the light eventually fills up. It's installed in the back like this.
I'm handling the electronics here, and I'll give it to you. The front lights,
Front lights.
Think of them as high beams.
That's really nice.
Whoa.
the front.
Oh,
You can switch between low, medium, and high power modes. This controls forward, reverse, interior light, and headlight. Set to forward. The accelerator. Jackie made this hardware. When you press it, there's a slider type variable resistor inside. Yes, so when you press it,
yeah.
we'll use this to move the cannon. Press this, see?
Wow, it's really subtle. But it does go up, slowly but surely.
Slow but strong. The limit switch activates by pressing like this. Wow, that was tough. Let's call it a day and head home.
Oh.
Now for the auxiliary weapon. This is the blue part. We'll cut 2 different sizes of PVC pipes, and for the top, we'll cut foam and place it on the PVC. For the barrel, we'll laser cut EVA foam and wrap it around.
Wow, just wrapping it gives it that feel? Let's go.
Heat it up. Let's paint it. We'll paint the auxiliary weapon and engine part. It's actually metal, so we're going to spray it with metallic paint. Done.
Chance?
Auxiliary weapon complete.
This metallic feel. Incredible.
Waha!
Not bad. It was a success. I'm heading home now. Finally leaving.
First, this dashboard. We'll rotate and fit in here like this.
Wrong wires doomed.
Wow, so many.
Step on it.
Wow. Wow.
Minback. Must we?
Like automotive.
Oh, really? What tasks are left now?
Now, the front lights, headlights, and the lights for the interior. We're also going to install underlights. There's really not much left.
Not much left. All done.
Okay.
All done.
Yes, done.
Let's have the first test run. Everyone go!
Wow. Whoa.
Fire
There's a missile.
and going up.
Lever up.
Amazing.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Driving success.
Wow!